So welcome back to my channel. So I got a squishy package. It's from my mom's birthday gift for me. So thank you, Mom. Let's open it. Yeah, just at the back, and I can feel the softness. So I have some scissors right here. I don't want to cut the squishy. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. You guys get the first look, but I already looked at it. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, it's with real packaging! Oh my gosh! I don't think it's licensed. I don't know. Oh my gosh! This is the cake one. Oh my gosh. The donut! Where's the face? I don't know. I think the face is in the tag. Oh, the bread! The bread loaf! Oh my gosh! Doesn't have packaging. That's okay. So we're gonna open this red one first.
Wow!
It's a bread. It's huge. It's kind of slow rising. I think it's a replica, but it's so cool. Oh, it smells good.
Does it smell like a bread?
No. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. I don't think this is licensed.
It's like a donut.
It is a donut.
It's like a donut at Disneyland.
What?
They sell those kind of donuts.
It's not really slow rising, but it's cool. This is so amazing. Oh my, it's not licensed. I don't think there's licensing here. This is, oh my gosh.
What's that?
This is a cake.
Where are your other slams?
Huh?
I mean, your other squishies.
It's upstairs. Oh my gosh, look at this!
Oh, it's a cake.
Yes, it is.
It has an ice cream.
It's so slow rising and it's so soft. Oh, look at this. Defected. Or defects, I don't know. It's super duper slow rising. I don't see any licensing. So I don't think this is a licensed squishy. But it's super cool. Oh my gosh, it finally arrived. Oh my gosh. There's no notes inside. 0. It's so much. I'm gonna order more from their shop.
So how long did it arrive?
Like 2.5 weeks. I'm gonna show you what I got. So the first one I ordered was at their shop. Was this one? It's a bread squishy. And it was cheap price, and yeah, looks like a real loaf of bread. The next one I ordered was this little guy. I think I'm gonna put water and it'll be like better and slow rising. And then the next one is, I'm actually playing Roblox and I am losing the game. Yeah. So that is all for this video. I just got a package. Oh my gosh, I love this squishy so much. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. Bye.